Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the grass airdrop. Now grass is basically a layer 2, and in order to go ahead and farm this airdrop, the steps are pretty simple. So in order to farm the grass airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and create an account on grass. Links in the description, because you have to have a referral code in order to create an account on grass. Now if you want, you can go ahead and use mine in the description as well as comment of this video. Now once you create an account on grass over here, all you can do is, the first thing you can do is, basically if you click on connect over here, this will open this page over here, which is grass extension, and you can go ahead and add this grass extension to your Chrome browser. Now apart from that, you get rewards in points every epoch. So as you can see, currently it's under the epoch 5 over here, and they have this referral program where more the friends you refer, more would be the points you will be earning over here. Now I will exactly go ahead and show you what you can do with these points over here if you want to earn some quick money on grass network right now. Now before we move on to that, they also had this galaxy campaigns over here, which is now over. Unfortunately, you won't be able to complete this task. So as you can see, this touch grass is over, and around 134,000 people have already participated in this one. Now in order to get some few or quick bucks on grass network, all you can do is you can go to Wales market over here, and if you have enough points over here, basically you can go ahead and sell your grass points over here for maybe USDC. Alternatively, you can also buy and sell, depending whether if you want to go ahead and buy the grass points, you can go ahead and buy it over here, or alternatively you can go ahead and sell your grass points over here. So these are the only few of the steps that you can do currently in order to farm the last phase of the grass airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.